So, continuing the same, we are now again in second part of it when the written down value basis method is given. In the previous question we did, that was straight line method. Now it is diminishing balancing or written down value method. Here in this question, opening balance, closing balance, and in additional information, depreciation is given. So what we have to do? We have to draw a rough format. We'll ask it as suppose it is furniture account, where we write the opening balance. We write this side opening balance brought down, that is given in question 40,000. Here we write CB closing balance carried down, that is given in the question 60,000. This is the very first thing we write. Now we see the question. Here it is opening balance, it is closing balance. In additional information, depreciation 10% during the year at diminishing balancing method. So here opening value is 40,000, closing value is 60,000. So we calculate depreciation on the opening value. So we write here by depreciation account. Opening value is 40,000. It's 10% he asked per annum. So this will be 4,000. There is no sale is given, nothing is given. So we calculate total. That is 64,000. We subtract this. So again we got the difference will lead to cash account. That is purchase of tangible asset. That will be 24,000. So this way we have calculated this data. It is an outflow of cash. So this way, this is working note, as I told you, which we have to make in both in fixed installment method, and also this was diminishing balancing method. In that case we have prepared furniture and accumulated depreciation. लेकिन अगर डिमिनिशिंग बैलेंसिंग मेथड है बच्चों, तो सीधा हम इसी अकाउंट में डेप को लिख करके परचेज या सेल्स फाइंड आउट करते हैं. अगर क्रेडिट साइड ज्यादा है, वी आर गेटिंग परचेज. अगर डेबिट साइड ज्यादा होती, वी माइट हैव गॉट बाय कैश सेल्स. So please learn these two formats for today. Thank you very much.